This is a man's world, but women hold it up. This is a man's world, but women hold it up. I'm fragile, I'm delicate, so lucky for your love. This is a man's world, my pretty eyes can't see. I'll never know how hard it goes, but baby, you don't know me. I'm man enough for the both of us. I'm man enough to quit. The truck is packed, no looking back. I'm sick of all your shit. I paid the price for your cheating lies. You begged me, baby, please. You made leaving come so naturally. Loving you made a man out of me. This is a man's drink. Ain't got the Johnnie Walker blues. Ain't no broken heart in your favorite bar. I'm kissing someone new. Your friends are asking about you. I'll tell them all the truth. I'm man enough for the both of us. I'm man enough to quit. The truck is packed, no looking back. I'm sick of all your shit. I paid the price for your cheating lies. You begged me, baby, please. You made leaving come so naturally. Loving you made a man out of me. Out of me. So cry me a river. The water's got rough, but I ain't your baby, and you ain't that tough. I'm man enough for the both of us. I'm man enough to quit. The truck is packed, no looking back. I'm sick of all your shit. Oh, I paid the price for your cheating lies. You begged me, baby, please. You made a leaving come so naturally. Loving you made a man out of me. Loving you made a man out of me.
Hi everyone, today's dance is called Johnnie Walker Blues. It's a 48 count, 2-wall, high and low level waltz. Let me face in the wall. First section we're gonna start with the left foot, and this section we're gonna do it facing the right corner. So start with the left foot, forward, point, up, back, point, up. Okay, this section was count, so left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the second section, first you square up, put the hands down, and then do 3 step with your climb, side, behind. And then make a quarter turn right, with the right step forward, and then you keep your weight on your right foot, make a pencil heel turn right, so pencil turn finish. Okay, so this section is count, so after your back point, start with the left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the third section, first you do the start with the left foot, do the forward coaster, so forward, together, back. And then after this one, you make a quarter turn right with the right foot step to the side, and then left foot rock back. When you rock back, you also go to your right hand side, and then right foot recover. Okay, this section is count. So first you do the forward coaster, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the fourth section, we're gonna make 3 quarter turn left. So first you make a quarter turn left with a left step forward, and then keep turning left. This time make a heel turn left with a right step back, and then left step back. After this one, right to the back coaster, back together forward. Okay, this section was cancelled. After your look back, recover, start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the fifth section, we're gonna do a 2 traveling forward triple step. So start with the left foot, cross right, recover, cross, right, recover. Okay, the switching is come. So after your back coaster, it starts the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the sixth section is still facing the corner. You start with the left step forward, and then right foot rock forward, recover, and then make a big step back, and then slowly draw your left foot for 2 times. Okay, the section is come. So after your twinkle step, you facing the corner, start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the final 2 sections. First, we're gonna do 3/4 turn left diamond step. So when you do the 3/4 turn left, when you finish, you're still facing the same wall, but from the left corner to the right corner. Okay, let's do the diamond step together. So left step forward, and then square to the left hand side with the right foot step to the side, and then make 1 S turn left with the left step back. And then right foot step back, and square to the left hand side with the right foot step to the side, and then 1 S turn left with the right foot step forward. And then left foot step forward, and square to the left hand side with the right foot step to the side, and then with 1 S turn left with the left foot step back. So after you finish your diamond step, and then you move your right foot back, and left foot drop back, recover. Okay, let's do this 2 sections with count. So after your step back and drag, start with the left foot diamond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's put everything together with count. So start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then from the top, forward, point, up, back, point, up. And then for this dance, we have 2 times restart. Restart will happen on wall 4 and wall 7. Both will be happen when you're facing the backwards right corner. And then for this restart, you only do the first 6 times. So you do the forward, point, up, back, point, up, and then restart. Forward, point, up, back, point, up, and wink, and then continue the dance. Also for the ending what happens when you back to your front wall, and you do the first 20 count. So the first 20 count is when you do the side, and then you look back, recover, do the quarter turn, and then half turn. So after the 20 count, you make another quarter turn left, and then cross your right foot to the front for ending. Okay, then do the ending all together. So start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and you cross for ending.